cursive M. Upper left-hand corner, little loop, big line down, up, bump, big line down, up, bump, big line down, and tail. This is a big letter. Little loop, big line down, up, bump, big line down, up, bump, big line down, and tail. I can fit maybe a couple more on this line since these are such big letters. Oops. All right, lowercase m. It starts and ends with a tail. So tail, little line down, up, bump, little line down, up, bump, little line down, and tail. Now maybe you have seen when people write M's, and then you'll see when we do the ends in a later video, they look like they have an extra bump, but let me show you what that is. So one more M, bump, bump, tail. Now I'm going to do another M. So here's a tail, but we're going to go right into the next tail of an M. Little line down, up, bump, little line down, up, bump, and tail. So this is where the two tails connect. But if you look at it, it looks like it has 3 bumps. It's really just the tails connected. If you've ever wondered why it looks that way or why it does that, that's why. So upper and lowercase cursive M.